Are you seeing ads for the Perki Restoration Trilogy claiming firmer breasts in just 20 minutes a day? Sounds impressive. But is it actually worth your money? Or just another overhyped product? Let's break it down. Welcome to Online Scam Advisor, where we uncover the truth behind trending products and help you stay safe online. The Perki Restoration Trilogy is marketed as a 3-step system designed to improve breast firmness and boost confidence. According to the sellers, it uses clinically supported technology, works for all cup sizes, and only requires a simple 20-minute daily routine. At first glance, it sounds like an easy, non-invasive solution. No surgery, no complicated treatments, just a routine you can follow at home. But here's where things get questionable. First, there is very limited verified clinical evidence available publicly to support these strong claims. Many products use phrases like clinically supported, without providing real, transparent studies. Second, results like firming or reshaping body parts usually depend on factors like genetics, age, and lifestyle. A simple device or routine promising dramatic changes for everyone should always raise a red flag. Third, when you check reviews, you may notice mixed or unclear feedback. Some testimonials look overly promotional, while genuine long-term user results are harder to find. Also keep in mind, products targeting body appearance often rely on emotional marketing. They highlight insecurities to push quick purchases. That doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but it does mean you should be cautious. So, is the Perki Restoration Trilogy worth it? If you're expecting guaranteed or dramatic results, you might be disappointed. If you're curious and understand the risks, do deep research before buying. As of now, there's not enough strong evidence to fully trust the big claims. Before you spend your money, always verify, research, and think twice. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And if there's another product you want us to review, drop it in the comments. Stay safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.